Hello, let's go over the R and talk about R and RStudio. So, R is a language, and at the same time, it's an environment. As you see here, there is a console, there is an editor, there is history, environment, and files, plots, so many things within this IDE. So, and it's mostly used for the statistics, data science, machine learning, these things, and maybe mathematicians, yes, also use this RStudio, or generally the language R. So, what is the statistics about, and what does it do? It is mainly about probabilities. It's mainly about hypothesis of what we encounter in nowadays. It's our quantiles and these things, but the starting point is vectors, the arrays of numbers, and let's create some vectors, some arrays of numbers. So I have created here some, but we are now going to cover these things. So let's create an array, a vector called A, and this make it equal to, and what you see here is an assignment operator, and we may as well put it here equal sign, but mainly in R people are used to use these arrows, so I also write arrows here. And let's make 100 numbers uniform numbers between 0 and 1, the uniform distribution, random distribution. The function is runIf, and we write the number we want. So what are the numbers? What is the array is like? Let's see that. Yeah, there are 100 numbers. They are between 0 and 1, and it's uniformly distributed. It's, yes, random numbers, and the number of them, there are 100 of them, and there is no number that is bigger than 1, and there's no number that is more than less than 0. So let's create our second array, B. Yes, let's take B, and make our arrays sequence. Use the function sequence here. Yes, it comes 100 numbers, but we are here doing using integers. That is, they're not going to be between 0 and 1. It'll be bigger numbers. Let's see. So we have created, and what are they look like? Sorry. Yes, there are 100 of them, and they're integers. They don't have a number after dot. but here we see it's between 0 and 1. And let's see the type. Yes, how do we know the type of an array, an object in R? Type, yes, type of A. It's double, so it's not integer. And in computer, the fractional numbers mostly are doubles. What is the type of B, the array B, which is which contains the numbers from 1 through 100? It's an integer. Yes, it is. There's no fractions. It's an integer, real numbers. So let's make third sequence, but using these two sequences. Let's how do you think, what will be the can we add these things? Of course we can, because for example, let's see, the first number in the A sequence is 0.54 and continues, and the first number in B sequence B, or the array vector B, is 1. How can we add them? Can we make a new vector? Yes, let's try, because in statistics the most important thing is to be curious and see the effects. So let's do that. Let's equate, make it equal A plus B. So we have the third array sequence. And what does it look like? So the first one is 1 in B and 0.54, and this is 448 and something, and that's it. What did it do? It added up all the numbers with their counterparts in the other vector. So it was 1, the first number, and its counterpart in A, it was 0.548, and it added them. So it is another introduction to the IDE. I hope it is making you more interested in R. Thank you.